Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix Instagram Messenger not updating on iPhone. The first thing that I would recommend you do is open settings on your iPhone, and from here you are going to scroll down and you are going to select general. After selecting general, you are going to tap on iPhone storage. And from here, you want to scroll down until you see Instagram. So you're going to give it a few seconds to load up. Then you're going to scroll down until you see Instagram. And you're going to tap on it. Then you're going to tap on offload app. After you have offloaded the app, you're going to come back into settings and you're going to tap on reinstall app. By the way, do not worry, all of your login information and all of that will still be stored on the app. If after doing that you're still not seeing the option to upgrade your Instagram, what I would recommend you do is simply go into the Instagram app, tap on your profile pic in the bottom right hand corner. Once on your profile page, you are going to tap on the three dashes in the top right hand corner and you are going to select settings. Then from here you are going to tap on help and you are going to tap on report a problem, and then you can see the option right here, go back to where you saw the problem. So if you have a screenshot, you can definitely post it, or you can simply tap on report problem without shaking. And you can continue right here, tap on include and continue. And then from there you can write the information and show them that your Instagram Messenger isn't updating. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.